What's the meaning of acid test? Acid test. Acid test. Acid test. Acid test. Acid test. The term acid test is typically used to describe a rigorous and definitive evaluation of something. The origin of the term comes from the practice of using nitric acid to confirm the presence of gold, as it would not corrode other metals. In a figurative sense, this phrase can refer to any decisive and unforgiving assessment of a person's abilities or the quality of a product or service. An acid test may be used to determine the true worthiness of an investment, the resilience of a new business venture, or the legitimacy of a scientific theory. In short, an acid test is a strict measurement or assessment that provides a clear and unambiguous result, often used to determine the value or worth of something important.